Hi, this is Rhoda Herring with Watermark Real Estate Group, and I'm excited to present my new listing at 7020 Bay Road in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story house that sits on a 1-acre lot. It's almost 3,000 heated square feet, and it's got additional covered patios and spaces that make the total square foot a little larger. Now let me share with you a few of my favorite things about this property. First, it's located just walking distance of the public boat landing, making it easy to hop in your boat and enjoy a day on the river. Second, it sits on a 1-acre lot in a no HOA community, both of which are very rare offerings in Myrtle Beach. And finally, for the car enthusiasts and boaters, this is your dream house because it has a 2-car attached garage and a 3-car detached garage with plenty of room on the long driveway for all of your additional equipment, including RVs, campers, trailers, etc. And not to mention great outdoor living with a pool, a shed, grassy space for the kids, separate area for your pups, and a hot tub and an all seasons room all off the backyard.